The standard lighting setup for cinema and still photography is 3-point lighting. In 3-point lighting, a subject is illuminated from 3 points: the key, the fill, and the back. The key light, generally, is the brightest light in the scene and lights the primary subject. The fill is a lower, more diffuse light, illuminating what would otherwise be areas of extreme shadow. The backlight illuminates the rear, and therefore the edges, of the subject, and works to separate the subject from the background. It doesn't matter what the genre of your film is: documentary, narrative, news piece, music video. The fundamental setup of 3-point lighting is applicable to all forms of filmmaking. The more familiar you are with these basics, the freer you'll be to use them creatively.